Hi everyone. One question I was faced in an interview is that can we use DCL command in function? Basically, DCL means granting and revoking privileges. For the demonstration purpose, I have a table DCL test. Now I'll use Kuldeep account to check the data whether I'm able to get the currently. I have access to this table. Now, what I will do, I'll revoke this table manually by this revoke command. Now see, I'm not able to get the data. Means I'm not able to fire a select query on this table. So now the main question is, now can we grant the select? Can we grant the privilege on this table to this user with the help of function? The final answer yes, we can. So for the purpose, I have created a function. This function, but obviously we have to use execute immediate. We can't directly use grant and revoke command within the function. Let me first create this function. Yeah, the function is now created. Now let me call this function through SQL command. Yeah, see, whenever you use any kind of DCL or DML in your function, now you are no longer can use the function within the select query. You mean you lost one of the feature of the function that you can use the function within the select query. So that's why we are getting Oracle 14552 stating that we can't call this function within a select query. So we'll try to call this function through anonymous block. Yeah, let's try. What I'll do, I'll store the return value into this variable and finally I'll print. So let me execute this. Yeah, successfully completed. Let's see. Yeah, third value. The value is granted. It means now this Kuldeep user is able to access the table. See here. Yeah, let me call again the same function through anonymous block. With this time, I'll revoke the see insufficient. It means we can use DCL within the function, but the main point is if you use DCL in your function, then you are no longer can use the function inside your SQL. You can call through anonymous block, but you can't directly call through SQL query. But still, if you want to call the same function through SQL query, you can. If you use a pragma called autonomous transaction, then you can call the same function through SQL query. Yeah, let me try. You see, what you need to do, just add pragma keyword and autonomous transaction. Yeah, it successfully compiled. Now let me call this function. Now previously here we are currently not able to fetch the data because we don't have any kind of privilege. Now what we'll do, we'll call this procedure and we'll pass G for grant. Yeah, it succeeded. Now let me go to the user. Now again check the data. You see, we are able to access. It means we can use DCL command in our function, but the main point is you can't able to access through SQL query. But if still want to call that function in SQL query, you have to use a pragma called pragma autonomous transaction. Now pragma basically means it's a kind of instruction given to the function by compiler that you have to create this function as autonomous. Autonomous means while running or while executing this function, it should be independent. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys. If you learn something new, please hit a like button. Thanks.